We're gonna be making one of my favorite meals of all time, guys. High protein, low calories. This is perfect for people on all kinds of diets. Whether you're on a low calorie deficit, trying to shed off that fat and lose some weight, or you're just trying to live a healthy, balanced lifestyle. This is one tasty meal that you can add in your diet plan. My name is Meg and welcome to Meg Loves Cooking. I'm gonna show you how to make the best ever chicken tikka masala. So this is my take on the chicken tikka masala. What we need is 500 grams of chicken breast, a can of tomatoes, half a cup of cream, 1 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, and 2 garlic cloves. For your spice blend, guys, bear with me. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and last but not least, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Get some plastic gloves or make sure that your hands are clean and make sure that every piece of the chicken is fully coated. In a pot, add in 2 tablespoons of oil or butter. When the oil is hot enough, add in the chicken and fry for about 5 minutes. When your chicken is done, set it aside on a separate bowl. And in the same pot, add in the chopped onion and saute until the onions become translucent. After a few minutes, add in the ginger and garlic and saute for a further 2 minutes. And then add in 1 can of diced tomatoes and make sure to scrape the bottom of the pot. Cook for about 5 minutes and add in half a cup of cream, mix, and as soon as it's combined, add in your chicken and cook for a further 10 minutes. Season according to your taste. Turn down the heat to medium-low and keep an eye on your pot to make sure that it does not burn. After 10 minutes, your chicken tikka masala will be done. Enjoy it with rice, naan bread, or anything that you prefer. That's it, folks. Leave a like and subscribe for more health conscious recipes. Mac Loves Cooking, signing out. Peace.